How to reactivate your Twitter account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Twitter account and then go to login. After that, enter your email address, then enter your password. After that, it will be reactivated like this very easily. I had deactivated this account, but once I entered my password and all my login credential, it will reactivate automatically. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.